Welcome to Mammoth Lakes, Coffee and Caravan with Pam Finck. Is that you who just came flying down that mountain? Mammoth has always been known as a secondary market for homeownership, but recently more and more people are moving here, living here full-time. They work remotely or they're seasonal workers, but they come back and forth. And so I want to cover the 4 different types of home ownerships here. There's the single-family residence, and there's condominiums, which can either be a condominium zoned in a nightly rental program area where you can put the condo on the market through Airbnb or VRBO, or there's the condominiums that are not on a nightly rental program. They're not zoned for that. And these are more suitable, I guess, for people who live here full-time. And then there's a 4th one, a new type of home ownership that's come to town, and I'm excited to share that with you as well. Both of the condos I'm going to show are located very close to the town loop trail, where you can mountain bike, you can cross-country ski in the wintertime. It's also in one of my favorite areas of town, Old Mammoth, and it's located within walking distance to the Snow Creek Racket Club, Tennis and Racket Club. The one located in 1700 Old Mammoth Road, it's not on a nightly rental program, but there's underground parking. The 2 that I'm showing to my client located on Meadow Lane, 103 Meadow Lane and 167 Meadow Lane, those condos are on a nightly program, and which might be better suited for my client as she works remotely and she travels extensively. Unit 31 at 103 Meadow Lane was absolutely gorgeous. They did a wonderful job renovating. And as we were leaving, the listing agent told us that she had another condo coming up on the market located at Val d'Isere Complex, which is literally walking distance to the village as well as the gondola. Spring of 2021 is Yotel Pad. They're taking orders right now, just like Tesla. You can make a reservation. Let's go find out what this is all about. Well, hello.
Welcome to Yotel Pad, Mammoth.
Hello. I'm here to learn about this new type of home ownership in Mammoth.
Well, this is our broker and director, Ron Barnes.
Hi, Ron.
Hey guys. Yeah, it's right here in the corner of Main and Minaret, just a few steps away from the village and the gondola. It's 2.6 acres. It will be built over all underground parking for the project. It's 156 condos, 21 townhomes. Prices start in the 300,000s, and very excited about the amenities more than anything. The inside pretty neat. We've got a restaurant, 2 bars, really cool game kid zone. For both adults and kids.
Is that right here in this location?
Yeah, it'll be over in this general area inside. Great fireside lounge, workout facility with steam rooms, and just super convenient and super smart living. So this is, I think, very...
Well, tell me the smart part. Is that in that section over there?
Yeah, exactly. Actually, Michelle will show you how the furniture works. It's all designed by an Italian firm and distributed in the U.S. by a New York-based company. And all this furniture is being specially created for Yotel Pad. So it's quite a bit of an upgrade from the old fold-out couch.
Yeah, that's
or
nice.
the Murphy bed. It basically combines an awesome couch, lounging couch, with a queen-size fold-down bed. And then the other side of the efficiency is this desk that converts to a bunk bed for the kids. Yeah.
Nice.
Or adults.
Right.
Both will fit. And yeah, it's all very well engineered. You've got your ladder, you got your safety rails, you got the works. So pretty excited about that.
Looked like it was pretty easy to assemble and
It's
put
very
back.
easy.
Yeah, super simple, straightforward. You know, all the suites have really neat rain showers and Juliet balconies, so you get a lot of glass, almost
Any
floor-to-ceiling
views?
glass. Yeah, well, so you look out on Mammoth Mountain, you look out down valley into the valley. Yeah, it's a great location here.
Thank you. This is exciting. When do you guys break ground?
So it should break ground this year, this summer, and then shooting to open for the 2021 ski season.
2021. Great. Thank you very much.
You got it.
So the A's and B's make up the majority of the building, and I'll show you. We have the furniture here that they're delivered with, but all of our studios sleep 4.
So this would be like the 300 roughly.
Yeah, exactly.
What are we looking at for like 550-ish?
Probably the C floor plans, which they'll start around that range.
Okay,
And-
so I see bedroom.
Yep, so
simple
those
and-
are 1 bedrooms. The bath is a little bigger with a double vanity. There's actually 2 pieces of furniture in the living area, so you'll be able to sleep 6. And they have a little terrace, and they're on the south side of the building here. So they'll look across the valley toward the Sherwins, and they'll have really pretty views. Fire nooks, this is all snow melted, so you can step out from the lobby bar into the fire nooks and bring your drink out. In the summer, that will be a bocce ball and yoga pavilion. So lots of fun things to do just
No, I
inside
think
the
it looks
property.
nice, and this is obviously
Yeah.
a great location. So this is
Exactly, then you walk
because
across
you
the
can walk
street.
to Coldwell. So
Exactly.
Hi, this is Bonnie Holman. She's my client up here in Mammoth Lakes, looking to buy a condo. What do you think about what we saw yesterday?
You know, I really liked both properties. Both of them were 2-bedroom, or actually 1-bedroom loft, but the second one had truly been converted to a 2-bedroom. So that one really stood out to me most, just because that loft was really functional as a room. The first property...
Is that the one on Meadow Lane or the one near Village that she hasn't even put on the market yet?
That's the one near the Village that I think is going on the market today. So I'm
Wow.
feeling a little eager about that one.
Yeah, I liked both of them. They both were nicely renovated. And I don't know, what do you think of nightly rentals? Which would get the most nightly rentals?
Definitely the one next to the Village.
And you travel so
and-
much, you could take advantage of that.
Yeah, and that really appeals to me because I need a property that I can live in when I'm here, but I can rent out when I'm not here. And that one just seemed to have a lot more assurance.
Right. What about Yotel Pad? I loved Yotel Pad.
I think that's for a different type of buyer than me.
Right. Well, that might be a secondary market for people who want to own a second home.
Yeah, but yeah, the 2 things that I'm really thinking between the 2 condos, you know, the first one had a really incredible kitchen. I would
They
love
both.
that kitchen.
Oh, wow. Yeah, the first one was bigger.
The second
Absolutely.
one, the kitchen was, you know, it's doable. But
Nicely
this-
done, for sure.
So I'm really feeling eager to put in an offer.
Really?
Yeah, I think
Oh
I
my
wanna
God.
do it.
We got to get off this slope and go write that offer. Awesome.
Let's do it.
Woo! All right, let's go down to the fort. They got high Wi-Fi. We can write that offer. Woo! coffee, not at one of the great coffee shops in Mammoth, but at Tusk's at Main Lodge.
And if
And
you
hello.
want a good coffee at Tuss Bar, get a Mammoth Mocha. Brandy, Bailey's,
Right.
coffee, and hot chocolate.
I'm so into that because that's the type of way, that's how I drink my morning coffee when I come to Mammoth. Not just the regular coffee, I add a little something.
It's the good stuff.
Yes, thank you. And this looks like a fantastic bar.
It is. The spring skiing is all time.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. I just was out there. And my client wants to write an offer, so I'm gonna get this real quick, head to the fort, use their high-speed internet, Wi-Fi, and write up an offer. Thank you. Wow, you're quick and fast, and that looks fantastic. What's your
Pam.
name?
Peter.
Peter, thank you. I'm
Peter
Pam.
at Tuss Bar. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Thank you. All right. Shout out to Pete at Maine's Lodge Tuss Bar. This drink is fantastic, and I'm celebrating. I'm writing an offer. And that's a wrap. Thanks, Mammoth Lakes. Until I come back. Great trip.